Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mrs. Clucky. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the beak. Let's start with a curve up and back down. Now from both ends, let's curve it up and bring it down in the center. Now hop inside and let's draw a curve across and add a small curve at each end. Now let's add the lipstick. Let's draw 2 bumps on top and a smaller curve underneath. Next, on top of the beak, let's draw a small curve up and back down. Next, let's hop on top and let's add the eyes. Let's start with a curve up and back down on both sides. And then curve it back in underneath. Now on top, let's add another curve to thicken it up slightly. And then add 2 eyelashes on both eyes. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve towards the center. And then add an oval inside. And then color both of the pupils in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start next to the eyes and let's draw a curve down and bring it in. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, let's hop on top on the left and let's continue the head by curving it up, stopping above the eye. And then let's draw a curve in and back out for the eyebrow. And color it in black. Now on top, let's add the hair. Let's start by drawing a wavy line down on top of the right eye and then curving it up. Then move back over on the top left and let's draw another curve up and back down. And now on top of the head here, let's add the bow. Let's start with the curve up on the left and bring it down. And then another curve on the top right. Now on both sides, let's draw a wavy line down, like this, for the sides of the hair. And that's it for the head for now. Now let's move in and draw the body. Let's start underneath and let's draw 2 lines down for the neck. Then let's add a curve down on both sides and another one next to it. And then add a circle underneath. Next, let's draw a line across in between the circles for the top of the shirt. Then a curve down and in on both sides. Then let's bring it down for the waist. And add a curve across at the bottom. Now top in and let's add another curve across here for the bottom of the shirt. And that's it for the top. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the skirt. Let's draw a curve down and out on both sides. and then a curve across at the bottom. And now inside, let's add a polka dot pattern like this. And that's it for the skirt. Now let's hop out and let's draw the arms. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve out on both sides. And then bring it down. And then another line down for the inside of the arms. Now on the sides of the arms here, let's draw 2 bumps going out. Now at the bottom, let's draw the gloves. Let's start with a curve across, and then an angle down and in from the outside. Now let's add a curve underneath, and then one more curve for the next finger. And that's it for the arms. Now that we're finished with the upper body, we can finish drawing the hair. From the hairlines we drew earlier, let's curve it in towards the arms, and then continue it on the other side. Now top down to the bottom and let's add the legs. Let's start with 2 angled lines down and in on the left and on the right. And then add 3 curves inside across each leg. Now underneath for the feet, let's draw a curve out, and then a curve down and over for the heels. Now for the first toe, let's draw a curve up, add a curved triangle for the nail, and bring it back in. And the same thing on the right foot. Now let's add one more toe behind by drawing a curve up and add a toenail at the end. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. Let's start on the right side next to the waist and let's draw an angled line over. Then let's hop out and let's draw another curve down and in. Then underneath, let's add one more feather by bringing it out and curving it back into the hand. And that's it for Mrs. Clucky. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!